High above the African plains, one of nature's silent heroes soars. The African vulture, a bird that plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem, yet now faces threats that endanger its very existence. This is the story of the African vulture, the unseen guardian of the savannah. Scene 1. Description of the African vulture and its role. Close-up shots of the African vulture perched on a tree, followed by clips of it scavenging for food. Narrator. The African vulture is one of the continent's most remarkable birds of prey. With wings spanning up to 3 meters and a bald head designed for cleanliness during feeding, it is an impressive and efficient scavenger. But its role extends far beyond finding food. The African vulture acts as nature's sanitation worker, feeding on carcasses and preventing the spread of diseases among wildlife and humans. Without it, the environment becomes vulnerable to chaos. Scene 2. The threats facing the African vulture. Shots of degraded landscapes and scenes showing the effects of poaching and poisoning. Narrator. Despite its immense importance, the African vulture is critically endangered. The threats are many: poisoning. Many vultures die after consuming poisoned carcasses deliberately placed by poachers to prevent the birds from revealing their locations. Poaching. Vultures are hunted for their body parts, used in traditional practices. Habitat loss. Deforestation and agricultural expansion have destroyed the vulture's natural habitats. These combined threats have caused vulture populations to decline by over 90% in some regions. Scene 3. Conservation efforts. Footage of conservation teams rescuing vultures and releasing them into the wild. Narrator. However, there is still hope. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to save African vultures. Protected areas are being established to safeguard their habitats. Local communities are being educated about the vulture's ecological importance. Advanced technology, such as tracking devices, is being used to monitor and protect these birds from harm. Scene 4. A call to action. A shot of a vulture perched atop a mountain, silhouetted against a sunset. Narrator. The African vulture is not just a bird. It is a symbol of resilience and ecological balance. Protecting it is our shared responsibility. We can help by supporting wildlife conservation organizations, spreading awareness about the vital role vultures play in nature, advocating for stricter laws against poaching and poisoning. Together, we can ensure that these magnificent birds continue to soar across Africa's skies. Conclusion. A final shot of an African vulture flying high, set against an inspiring musical backdrop. Narrator. Though we may not see African vultures every day, they are always at the heart of nature, maintaining balance and defending its health. Let us also be guardians of nature and help preserve this ecological treasure for generations to come.